Today we are going to start exercise 1D of chapter integers. So here our first question is evaluate. So in evaluation, what we need to do, we have to just simplify the given things. Okay, that's what we need to do. So our A part is minus 40 divided by 5. So how we are going to evaluate it? So simply divide means you need to draw a line and then you need to write 5. So 5 8 ja 40. So here it will came 8 along with the sign minus upon 1, or you can write minus 8 upon 1, or you can also write minus 8. So that is the answer. Now B part, minus 450 divided by 3 plus 6. Okay, so here it is 450 divided 3 plus 6. Now firstly we are going to solve the brackets. So here we have 450, 6 plus 3 gives you 9. Now we are going to cancel these numbers. So 9 1 ja 9, 9 5 ja 45, along with this 0 we have to copy it over there. So here we got minus 50 upon 1, or you can also write minus 50 as the answer. So that is the answer. Now let's move to the C part. So our C1 is minus 36 divided by 12 plus 0. Again we are going to do the same. Firstly we are going to solve the bracket. So that is 12 plus 0. Okay, so minus 36, 12 plus 0 gives you only 12. So 12 1 ja 12, 12 3 ja 36. Here we have minus 3 upon 1, or also we can write it as minus 3. Now we are moving with the D part. So our D1 is minus 50 divided by 50. Now what we need to do, simply we are going to arrange it in that order. Now 50 1 ja 50, 50 1 ja 50. So here we have minus 1 upon 1, or we can also write as minus 1. Now let us move with the E part. For that I need to just rub this. Okay, so our E1 is 420 divided by 10 plus minus 8. No need to put the bracket over here. Okay, so that's what we have. So firstly we are going to arrange these numbers in the same way. So firstly we are going to solve the denominator. Okay, so here we have 420, now 10 plus minus minus, and here it is 8. So 420 upon 10 minus 8 will give us 2. Now 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2 with 0. So here we have 210 upon 1, or you can also write as 210. So that is our answer. Now we are moving with the F part. Again for that we just need to rub this. So our F part is minus 46 divided by minus 40 plus minus 6. So that's what we have in the F part. So here we are going to write in the proper way first. So that is minus 40 plus minus 6. So minus 46. Now minus 40 plus minus minus 6. Now minus 46. Now we know that whenever we have the same sign, we need to add the number. So 40 plus 6 will give you 46. Which number is greater? 40 is greater. So we need to put that sign. So minus. Here we need to put minus. So minus and minus cancelled with each other. 46 1 ja 46, 46 1 ja 46. So the answer is 1 only. Now we are moving ahead with H part. our H1 is minus 16 plus 12 divided by minus 4 plus 2. So that's what we have. Again we are going to arrange in the proper way first. Divide minus 4 plus 2. Now whenever we have the alternate sign, then we need to do minus. So minus 16 plus 12. So here we will get 4. And which number is greater as 16 is greater? Which is with minus sign. So here we need to put minus sign. Now 4 minus 2 is 2 and 4 is greater, it is with minus sign. So minus and minus is going to be cancelled. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So here we can say that 2 is our answer, or 2 upon 1. Now let us move with the I part. So our I part is, let me put this book over here, and our I1 is 25 divided by 5 divided by 5 divided by 5. Okay, now the book which I am preferring to solve this, it is Together with Mathematics Class 7, that has been written by the Rachna Sagar. Okay, so now I am just moving with the I part. So 25, let me solve the bracket part first. 25 divided by 5. Now here it is divided. Now 5 divided by 5. I am just solving the bracket part first. My first priority is to solve the bracket part. Now 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25. So here we have 5 upon 1. Divided by 5, 5 is going to cancel, and here we will get 1. So now how we are going to write this? 5, we can write 5 also. Divide means divide and 1. So 5 upon 1, or you can say that 5 is the correct answer. Now let us move with the J part. So that is our J part is 46 into 5 into 0 divided by 4. Okay, so we know that if you are going to multiply any number by 0, you will always get 0. So 0 divided by 4 is always gives you 0. So here the answer is 0 only. No need to solve it further. So now let us move with the question number 2. So here we are having So now question number 2 is, verify that A divided by B is not equals to B divided by A for the following values of A and B. So that is our question which is on the screen. Now let us start with A part. So our A is equals to minus 15, it is given, whereas it is also given that B is equals to 3. Okay. Now we are going to put the values into A divided by B is not equals to B divided by A. Here we need to prove this. Okay, so here we are going to call this as LHS, and this number we are going to call as RHS. So firstly we are going to put the values in LHS. So our LHS is A divided by B. The value of A is minus 15. What is the value of B? The value of B is 3. Okay, now let us arrange this in the proper way. So we know that 3 5s are 15, or we can say minus 5. So therefore we can say that our answer is minus 5. So that is the LHS part. Now let us solve the RHS part. So our RHS is B divided by A. So the value of B is 3. The value of A is minus 15. So 3 divided by minus 15. Again 3 5s are 15, but here we will get minus 1 upon 5, minus 1 upon 5. Here we are getting minus 1 upon 5. So here LHS, in the LHS we get minus 5, but in the RHS we get minus 1 upon 5. Both are not equal. Therefore, we can say that LHS is not equals to RHS, or hence verified. Now let us move with the another part of question number 2b. For that I just need to rub this part only. Okay, here I am just going to change the values. In the B part, that is also going to be P. Okay, now the value of A is 36. Okay, now the value of B is 6. Again, we are going to solve LHS part first. A divided by B. So the value of A is 36 divided by 6. So let us arrange in the proper way. 6 6 are 36. So here we are getting 6. Okay. Now let us solve for the RHS part. Our RHS is B divided by A. We are going to put the values. So 6 divided by 36. So 6 divided by 36 will give us 1 upon 6. Now in the LHS we get 6. In the RHS we are getting 1 upon 6. So both are unequal, hence verified. Okay, now let us move with the C part. Again we need to use the same format. So for that I just need to rub this. So in the C part, what we have here, in the C part we have A is equals to 50. A is equals to 50 and the value of B is minus 5. Again we are going to put the values. So 50 divided by minus 5. So 50 divided by minus 5 will give us 5 into 5, 5 into 50. So here we can see that minus 10. Okay, similarly we are going to solve for the RHS part. So minus 5 divided by 50. So here we are getting minus 5 upon 50. That is going to be equals to 1 minus 1 upon 10. So both are unequal. Again LHS is not equals to RHS, hence verified. Now let us move with the D part. Okay, so in the D part, the values are A is equals to minus 72, whereas the value of B is minus 6. Okay, so the value of A is minus 72 divided by minus 6. So let me write it in the proper way. Divided by minus 6. Minus and minus is going to be cancelled. Now 6 1 is 6, 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12. So here we are getting 12. Similarly, we are going to put the values into RHS also. So minus 6 divided by minus 72. So minus 6 divided by minus 72. Minus and minus is going to be cancelled, and here we are getting 1 upon 12. Now again both are unequal, so LHS is not equals to RHS, hence verified. Now let us move to question number 3. For that I just need to rub this. Okay, so our question number 3 is verify that A divided by B plus C is not equals to A divided by B plus A divided by C for each of the following. Again, the question is same. So here is our question on the screen. So now let's start with the A part. The value of A, it is given that is 48, whereas the value of B, it is also given, that is, let me write in a line so that it will not consume too much space. So the value of B is 4 and the value of C is minus 2. Okay, Now it is given in the question that what it is given, we need to put the values into that equation. B plus C is not equals to A divided by B plus A divided by C. Okay, again that part is going equals to के left hand side का जो part होता है we are going to call it as LHS, whereas that another part is going to be called as RHS. So let us solve for the LHS part and then we are going to solve for the RHS part. So here we move ahead. So LHS is A divided by B plus C. So the value of A is 48 divided by the value of B is 4 plus the value of C is minus 2. Okay. So now 48. Let me solve the denominator part. Let me solve the bracket part first. So, or otherwise you can also write like this. We can also write like this, divided by 4 plus minus 2. Okay. Now 48 divided by plus minus minus. So minus 2. Now 48 divided by 2. 2 2 2 are 4, 2 4s are 8. So 24 is the LHS. Let us solve for the RHS part. Now our RHS is A divided by B, that is this, plus A divided by C. Now let us put the values. A is 48 divided by 4, bracket close, plus A is 48 divided by the value of C is minus 2. Okay, now 48 divided by 4 plus 48 divided by minus 2. Now let us cancel this. 4 1 are 4, 4 2 are 8. Now plus minus, make it minus. 2 2 are 4, 2 4s are 8. Now 12 minus 24 will give you minus 12. So in the LHS we are getting 24, whereas in the RHS we are getting minus 12. So here therefore we can say that LHS is not equals to RHS. Okay, hence verified. Hence verified. Now let us move to the B part. For that I just need to rub this. So I'm just changing the values, that's it. Okay, so here I'm just rubbing the okay. Now this, let us move to the B part. So our B1 is A is equals to minus 20, whereas B is minus 5 and C is 4. Now let us put the values. A is minus 20 divided by minus 5 plus 4. Now we are going to put it in the proper way. Minus 5 plus 4 is going to be equals to minus 1. So minus and minus is going to be cancelled and here we are getting 20 only. Similarly, let us solve the RHS part. So minus 20 divided by minus 5. Let me put this in the bracket. Now minus 20 divided by 4. So minus 20 divided by minus 5 plus minus 20 by 4. Minus and minus is going to be cancelled. So 5 4s are 20. So here it is 4. Plus minus minus, 4 5s are 20. So 4 minus 5, here we are getting minus 1. In LHS we are getting 20, but in RHS we are getting minus 1. So LHS is not equals to RHS, hence verified. So here I am ending today's video. So I hope that you like the video. If you have any kind of the queries regarding the video or in the for the previous video, you can drop in the comment box. So thank you so much and have a great day.